Not so bad at all. This is the right stuff. It looks like it's not repaired at all. Here we have some damage. Yes. What happened here? I don't know. But everything else is good. Here, I think they have done a repair here. And here they have cut open and done something. So something has happened in this area. Can we get it to stand up? Yes, it can stand up. Now we can see. It's something. It's not smooth at all. This is just the smoothing out everything. It looks pretty good. I can see there's some damage over here. It's a little damage in this area and in the corner. That's all what I can see. I can see it's very lean on paint, so it's orange lack. It's like an orange here. It's not smooth. On the car, you have some paint damage over here, but this side is really good. The back is good. It's on this side we have some rust repair to do. This is rust is never fun, never fun at all. But we will do it. We'll fix it. It's okay. Let's clean this with some silicone remover before we do anything. Let's see, here we have some paint peeling off. I can see it's some gray under there. It should be gray, not this blue. So this is maybe the right color. The paint is not sticking here. This can we get so everything under here you will not see, so that's not important. It's so close to the ground. We will do our best to fix it. I think the exhaust has been touching here. The future will tell what we find in here. Do you want to see what's under the surface? I know that I want to see. So let's take a look and see what we can find here. This is the original bumper. I can see it over here. You get red paint. Because when I first painted this one, there were a misunderstanding. So they painted the bumpers red. So almost the whole car was red the first time. It was grey on the sides, but the bumper was red. So this is the original bumper. And the damage over here is probably from when I had the car. Because once my dad backed into the car and his hitch, what do you call hitch, get through the bumper here. So the thing we had in the back side, you see they have taken up a big hole. They're probably from when I had it. But not this one or this damage. Because I can see they have painted it in a bluer color than when I had it. So it has been through something after I owned it. And these are all the cracks I want to grind down. We have to get rid of all these kind of cracks. Everywhere we see them. Don't remember the points that saw them. I don't think it's so many things to repair on this one. It should go pretty fast, I think. Just have to find everything. I think that's a good start. Take a look for yourself. We have to grind down this a bit more. I can feel the difference here. Hard to see how much we have to go away with this ones. I think I take the Dremel and grind out all these cracks. I don't remember if we had anything more. Something tells me that you could see something in this area. But I think we will we'll notice if it's something more when we grind everything down with 320 paper. Get a bit more here, I can see the cracks are extended a bit. I can see the crack extend here a bit. This looks suspicious. Have to do something about that. Something about that. Then I don't know if this cracks, I think, is under a layer of plastic. So grind down more of that. I can see the cracks are still here. So I think I will grind down a bit more and leg some fiberglass over this part. Maybe fiberglass over this too. And the black stuff here, I think, is not the right stuff. So I think I will grind down and lay some fiberglass on that too. But that's maybe all we have to do about this, I think. So it looks great. The progress is good. So please follow and see what's happened. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.